Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sarah's Vegan Living Room. Today we are going to be tasting not all, but a majority of the vegan holiday / Thanksgiving roasts. We got these from Sprouts and Whole Foods today. We are skipping the Gardein one. That's the one we're going to have on our actual Thanksgiving.
Because we know it's the best one.
Amazing. And I've also been told that the Gardein one is the same as the Trader Joe's one. They just repackaged it from Trader Joe's. I'm not entirely sure. I do have a taste test of the Trader Joe's one, which I'll link down below from a previous year. It's very good. And did we skip any other one? Oh, the field roast has 3 options. Last year, my mom's sister and I had the one that's like cranberry hazelnut on croûte. It comes in puff pastry. We had that, didn't care for it. I didn't want to spend money on it again.
Sounds gross.
So we got 4 here.
I've had this one.
Yeah,
and I think this one. This one smells the best because it has mustard glaze. Mm-hmm. Is it this one?
That's the most expensive one as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just start over here
start
because,
the edge.
Well, you said you think you've tried this one.
Yeah. Can I move these now that we're...
Sure.
Do you want to keep them in the shot?
Let's keep... This is the Celebration Roast from Field Roast. This one costs $12.99. That's not too bad. Comes with gravy as well. I'm going to cut into the center so that we make sure to get the stuffing.
That cross section too.
Wait, it doesn't actually look like it has that much stuffing. It's kind of weird.
Doesn't. Sure, can I hold up a...
Cross
The
section.
inside looks like. Smells like turkey.
It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Very salty.
Yeah. Gravy Town?
Mm-hmm.
It is so salty.
This came as a powdered gravy, and you just add water and boil it, and it thickens. The texture's like Vital Wheat gluten anything.
Mm-hmm. It has good flavor though.
I don't even think it needs gravy. It's
gravy,
not dry.
It's not dry at all. The gravy is somehow saltier.
I really like it.
Mm-hmm.
I would totally buy this again.
Oh yeah.
I don't
You can
know
taste rosemary and other things. I was gonna say sage. I don't actually know if it's sage.
I think I taste a little sage. Gravy's actually a little sweet too.
Is it? Let me get more of that.
The filling is not so different from the actual meat.
It is a little sweet, yeah. I love it though. It's good that they call it a roast.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't really taste like turkey. It just tastes like holiday meat.
Mm-hmm. And I was never that much of a fan of turkey. Were you?
Yeah.
Really?
I was always eating the turkey leg.
I just thought it was so dry.
Mm-hmm. Because it is.
Are you claiming the leg? It's so you. Okay.
That's good though. I really love that.
Mm-hmm.
It needs more stuffing, but it only needs more stuffing if you're eating it like this. Right? If you're actually having Thanksgiving and you have stuffing, then it doesn't matter.
I would give this a 4
Out
out of
of?
5 if I had to.
Can we go out of 10?
Out of 10?
Yeah.
For more nuance?
Yes.
But you can't pick 7.
Why?
That's like the rule because 7 is such a safe number. And if you can't pick 7, it's like 6 is really not that great, but 8 is like
Too
pretty
good.
great. You know what I mean? So then I'd have to give it an 8.
I would give it an 8 also.
You can use 7 if you want.
Wow, 7 is so safe.
Right?
I wanted to go with it too. Let's say 7 for now.
Okay.
And then
we'll let it be
I can't rank
malleable.
anything else 7. It has to either be better or worse than this.
Okay.
How's that?
This is solid. Okay, the next one. Where that box?
Oh yeah.
This is the Smoky Forager roast. It's got a pineapple and mustard glaze.
It smells awesome.
Oh yeah, I smelled the glaze because you cook it for a long ass time, and then during the last 15 minutes you pour the glaze over it and continue to cook it, and that glaze, oh my god.
I really like the textured top. That has stuffing in it. That's a stuffed
Oh
bully.
man, I'm pretty excited about this one.
This is
It
my
smells
half?
very good. That's your half.
Can you give me like a nice big chunk?
Thick slice.
Yeah, I'm very hungry.
Here, I'll let you do it. Yeah, we didn't eat that much today.
Wow, I absolutely destroyed that.
We're going to be bringing all of the leftovers to a Friendsgiving this weekend.
I'm gonna go straight meat again first.
Yeah? No stuffing? Or did you get...
I'm gonna go no stuffing at first.
Okay.
This smells like benevolent bacon. You can eat it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I feel a little underwhelmed, actually.
The glaze is really good. It's not a Thanksgiving thing. You know what I mean? I've never celebrated Christmas, but I feel like you'd eat this at Christmas instead. Because if you want like a turkey alternative on Thanksgiving, you're not going to eat this.
Mm-hmm. The stuffing is chanterelle mushrooms, and huckleberry. The meat is apparently a smoky tomato grain meat.
Okay, yeah.
Bread and wild rice. I see the rice in here.
The stuffing is really good, I
It
think.
tastes very strange to me. It's like very earthy.
Really? I like it. Is this just more glaze?
Mm-hmm. Maybe more glaze will redeem it.
Glaze, man.
So far, I'm liking the first one better. Honestly.
Me too. This is definitely a 7.
Wait, with the glaze though.
Yeah.
That glaze.
It's so sweet.
I'm into it.
Well, yeah, me too.
I would just drink this. This tastes so familiar, this glaze.
It tastes like...
It tastes like barbecue sauce.
Mm-hmm. That's exactly what it is. It tastes like...
Honey mustard.
Yeah, if you got like wings, or you just got barbecue, that had like that Carolina mustard barbecue sauce. That's essentially what it is. This one's an 8, this one's a 6. So I changed from a 7 to an 8, and that's a 6.
I agree, but they should sell this sauce. Oh!
Yeah, the sauce is pretty good.
I spilled on myself. Maybe we should have tried the tofurkey first, because now I feel like, not to shit on tofurkey, but
We know what tofurkey tastes like.
it's not as fancy as field roast.
But then again, it's more turkey-ish.
Yeah, it is more like generic turkey. This is the ham. Neither of us have tried. Neither of us has tried this one. Okay. This one also came with a glaze that I brushed on at the last 15 minutes. And I'm actually quite excited for this because I want to use the leftovers in like ham fried rice. I just think it's funny these look like little loaves of bread.
They do. These are meatloaf. That's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
It's meatloaf. And there's rosemary, like I said, there's rosemary in it. It has all those flavors. It makes it taste like meatloaf.
I love meatloaf.
Me too. This is amazing. But it's not turkey.
No. I don't think it's necessarily trying to be.
Right, that's why they call it
This
roast.
is the only one that's trying to be turkey. I'm also exceptionally hot right now.
Really?
I'm like bundled up.
This one isn't stuffed with anything. It's just a ham.
It's just a ham. Let's put this on a
Weird.
sandwich. This one I found at, where did I buy this? Sprouts?
Yes.
Looks like bologna.
Yeah, it really does.
And I am a big fan of bologna.
Some thick bologna.
Does not smell like ham. I really like the texture, honestly. It
But,
reminds me of like corn texture. The corn.
oh, yeah.
Corn.
Yeah. It tastes like tofurkey.
Yeah, it just tastes like cold cuts.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not complaining.
Yeah, me either.
It's really good though. I'm trying the
Oh, yeah, what's the sauce?
maple and beer extra special beer glaze.
Oh.
It's weird. You definitely taste the beer. I don't think I like it.
I kind of like
I
it.
do not like it. It's definitely a glaze and not a gravy. You would not put this on your potatoes.
I would get this and slice it up and
Glaze.
put gravy on it. Like, put real gravy on it, you know? Like the gravy that comes with this or this one.
We're mixing gravies. I don't know why I like this so much.
Yeah.
It's
Wait.
the texture.
Here, try this. Right?
That's a solid gravy.
It really is. With potatoes and everything, with Thanksgiving fixings, that tastes like turkey, even though it's supposed to be ham.
Does it? There's an extra like something, like a sweetness.
It's like, it's just ham flavored tofurkey, man.
The rating is really confusing me here because I like all of these things so far. And I think I would, like, if my choices were limited, I'd be perfectly happy to eat any of these. I'm covered in sauce.
This is a 5.
Really?
Yeah,
That feels so harsh. I want to suspend my rating for
5
now.
good. Right?
All right. The final one. Classic tofurkey. We actually, so I
Put a
think
sound
you,
effect there.
I can try. You can purchase this either the standalone tofurkey, or you can get a kit, which is what I did. It comes with gravy and a little tray of brownies, which I'm told are phenomenal.
They're pretty good. I had them last year.
This really does just look like a loaf of bread. Ooh.
This has
the
good
stuffing.
stuff in it. Flip the baby around.
It's too big. It's
Yeah,
falling
you-
apart.
you-
It's falling apart.
Make a bigger slice and we'll split it.
You
It's
do
got to be a
it.
thick slice.
It really
Roast.
does actually look like turkey. Like, look at it.
Yeah, just leave it to me to destroy it. Oh!
Oh no.
Gravy down.
It's all good. It's all good. Plain turkey with no stuffing or gravy. You don't like it?
It's so bland.
It is quite bland, but I feel like turkey's bland.
It is. This tastes like baked turkey.
I really wonder if this is just exactly
is.
what they use for their
It has to be.
like oven roasted
Mm-hmm.
slices. All right, I want to try it with this is like wild rice stuffing.
The stuffing is good.
When I was heating this gravy up, it reminded me of like KFC gravy.
Mm-hmm.
Biscuits and gravy.
Yeah.
Which I love. I just love gravy.
Stuffing is good. Yeah, it really
Fluffy.
it really just tastes like the tofurkey slices balled into a big ball.
Ball.
This is still the best gravy, and it's the one I spilled. The gravy's a little watery.
For this one?
Yeah.
I like this gravy.
Me too.
Just because it reminds me of childhood.
I like it too. It's not bad.
Well, I really like all of these. I'm enjoying myself. But we both agree this one's the best.
That's a 9. I'm updating. This is a 9. This is a 7. That's a 6, and that's a 5.
I feel I agree, except I would switch these two.
Yeah.
Just because I have poor taste. Like, I know that I like this
That's not
because I
true.
have poor taste. Because it's just so, like, I don't know. It reminds me of bologna.
The good thing about this one is that if, like, you invite everyone over and you cook it, and then you, like, before dinner you want to go have, like, a football catch, but you don't have a football, you can just use that. It's like a big leathery brick. The Gardein is a 10.
I'm just going to keep eating. Yeah, the Gardein is so moist, and it's, like, lightly breaded, too, right?
It's the most turkey-like. It doesn't have that artificial tofurkey flavor.
It's Gardein. I've never had anything from Gardein that wasn't
Bad. Even like
pretty phenomenal.
Even the fillets are good.
9, 6, 7, 5.
Gotta love meatloaf. My tummy hurts.
Does it? From this?
I don't know.
All right. That is it for this vegan holiday roast taste test. If there are any other ones that I missed that I didn't happen to see at Sprouts or what's the other place? Whole Foods. Whole Foods. Let me know. My foot's falling asleep. Let me know what you are putting on your Thanksgiving menu this year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. Ow.
I'm gonna barf.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna Ralph.